You're watching Fox 45 Morning News. All local, all morning.
The unofficial start to summer is almost here. Up next, fun products for your entire family. You're watching Fox 45 Morning News Weekends. Memorial Day is the unofficial start of summer, and we want to make sure that you are going to have fun celebrating this holiday. Laurie Forster, the founder of thewinecoach.com, joins us this morning. She has a few products that your whole family can love. Good
Absolutely.
morning. Thank you for being with us.
Summer has begun. Yay.
I know.
Finally, we deserve this, right?
Yes.
So you want to decorate, you want to have all the right touches. And if you go to World Market, I got this awesome red, white, and Q cookbook. So there's all kinds of party planning in there and recipes. I'm going to tell you a few at the end here that go with my wines. But you can pick that up at worldmarket.com or go to one of their stores. And then in the front here, I have the Americana garland, the red, white, and blue stripes, stars and stripes. Everything that you want. There's so many things under $20.
Okay.
You can just decorate and you don't have to spend a lot.
Budget friendly. That's important. And then we're showing some sauce right now. What is this?
Yeah, cooking. My husband's a chef. I'm not that accomplished in the kitchen, but what's great about these Sanjay sauces is that you can marinate, you can flavor enhance, you can dip. This tamari soy sauce is gluten-free, and it's just the right touch. You can put it on anything, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and it tastes like you're a world-class chef. So I love that. And then they also make gluten-free rice crackers. So forget the tortilla chips, because that's not so healthy. Use the rice crackers. They have all kinds of flavors. And you can have that with one of my favorite dipping things on the weekend, which is guacamole.
Yes, so good.
But the problem with guacamole a lot of times is that it can go brown. Well, the folks here
Nobody wants to eat it then.
Yeah, the folks here at Casa Bella have created guac lock. And you put your guacamole in here, you press down, all the air comes out, and that way overnight it doesn't go brown. And then when you're ready to eat it, you unlock and use it.
And I asked you, I said, does that actually work? And you said yes.
It does, and it pushes up from the bottom so it always looks full.
Okay.
The crackers are $5, sauces $4. This is only $30, and it has all of the container you need and everything.
And where can we find some of these?
So this is casabella.com, san-j.com, and also they're at stores all over. Go to the website and you can find these. And so many people are going gluten-free. So gluten-free there, have your guacamole. And then
you're the winecoach.com. We cannot talk about wine.
Nothing is complete without a glass of wine. And I'm a big rosé fan, so I say rosé all day. We have the Noble Vines 515 Rosé, and they use the Syrah grape for this to create a dry French style, but this one's made in the Central Coast. It's only $14.99.
Wow.
It's delicious.
It is really good.
Go with anything we have here.
Perfect for summer.
Summer, seafood, chicken. It's really tasty. Under $15.
That's great.
Delicious. And then it's not complete without a red wine. End of the day, red to bed, I always say. So if you love red wine, you're grilling out. And in the cookbook, they have a great recipe, red, white, and Q, for grilled kale with cranberry and bourbon vinaigrette. That would go with your rosé. But they have a bison burger recipe that would be great with the gnarly head Old Vine Zinfandel. This is from Lodi, which is Zinfandel country.
And is it budget friendly too?
It is $11.99.
Even cheaper.
You've got that blackberry, black cherry, and a little bit of toasty oak that makes it great to kick off the summer weekend.
All right, well, cheers to that.
Cheers. I hope you love it.
It's great. It's great. All of these are good.
They're wonderful, and everything can be found online. Noble Vines, Gnarly Head, Casa Bella, Sanjay, and World Market.
All right, and you're with thewinecoach.com.
Of course, yeah, you got to check that out if you want to demystify wine one glass at a time. That's my mission.
Okay, thank you very much.